Hi, welcome to Story Time today. We're going to look at a book that has something that you could call community helpers. So those are people within your community that help you out. Off the top of my head, I usually think of policemen, firefighters, maybe the person who's scooping your ice cream. Those are people who help you around town. Sometimes illustrators or the people who draw the books will give you what are called visual clues as to what something is. You're going to see a mail truck, and it's not really going to look like the mail trucks that we have. If you have a mail truck that goes around your neighborhood, my mail truck is currently it's a white van. It's a mail van. And this mail truck is going to look like, it looks like a mailbox, which is kind of silly, but wait till you see it. It's cute. There is a cement mixer, and the visual clue for a cement mixer is this rounded mixer on the back, and it's open and it continually circles and mixes so that the cement doesn't what's called solidify, which means that it gets hard. Usually the cement mixer is painted with different colored stripes, and that's how you know that is a cement mixer, because it has this big rounded thing on the back that's painted different colors. You're going to see a construction vehicle, and I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you will see something. It's a visual clue that will tell you that that is a construction vehicle. If you go through a construction site and you're in your car, you normally are going to see this particular visual clue in that construction zone. So there's something that you will know, hey, that is the visual clue for a construction zone. There is a special truck that's an ice cream truck. And when you see it, you're going to see something special on it, and you will know, oh, that is the visual clue for an ice cream truck. So you be looking for it in our story, okay? There is a milk truck. You'll have to be looking for the visual clue to see if you can pick up where the milk truck is. And some of our other special community helpers that you will see in our story, you will see a vegetable truck, you'll see a cookie cart, and a small bulldozer. Be looking and see if you can find the visual clues that will tell you. Let's go ahead and read our story. Tow Truck Joe. Written by June Sobel, illustrated by Patrick Corrigan. Joe the tow is on the go. All day long, he honks, hello. A fix-it truck for small and large tows cars and trucks to his garage. Patch his pup sniffs out trouble so Joe can help out on the double. Driving up and down the street, Joe sees cars and trucks to greet. A cement mixer passes by. Joe the tow beeps, hi. The cookie cart is in a rush, but stuck inside the traffic crush. Red light, stop. Green light, go! Joe moves on and honks, hello! Patch the pup cries out a yelp. That car won't start. Joe can help. Tow truck arrives before too long. Patch lifts the hood to see what's wrong. Joe can fix it. He is able. Joe connects his jumper cable. Car engine hums a happy song. The fix-it tow truck moves along. The fire engine's sirens yell. The ice cream truck rings its bell. The milk truck is running late. The grocery truck cannot wait. Red light, stop! Green light, go! Joe moves on and honks, hello! Patch the pup cries out a yelp. A tire's flat. Joe can help. The mail truck's tire is out of air. Joe the tow has a spare. The wheel is fixed and spins around when Joe the tow hears a sound. Screech! Screech! Bang! Crunch! Crash! Joe races over in a flash. The milk truck sped. A cart was struck. Full of cookies. What bad luck! All the cookies now are crushed, just because the milk truck rushed. Cookie crumb piles fill the road. Engines grumble, traffic slowed. Joe honks to take time out. No trucks beep, no trucks pout. One for all for one. We can fix it, let's have fun. Joe and friends act with haste. No cookie crumbs will go to waste. The grocery truck knows what to bring. Sugar and vanilla, just the thing. Patch the pup, always a fixer, pours some milk into the mixer. The mixer stirs round and round. Trucks all watch without a sound. The ice cream truck's bell rings twice. Her freezer's empty and cold as ice. Patch sniffs and licks. It's not a dream. It's Cookie Crunch, their new ice cream. Trucks all follow Patch and Joe, driving carefully, going slow. A busy day comes to an end for Joe the Tow, a good friend. We thank another community helper, the William and Margaret Benz Foundation, for funding our children's programming. Now that we've read our story, let's do a craft. What you see right here is a car kit. If you email me at the library, I can put a car kit for you in our grab and go area, or I can send you a car kit. My library email is blairsvillepublibrarykidlib@gmail.com. This is the base and sides. Remove the pieces in the slots so that you can put your sides into those slots. You can glue them later if you like. Your kit comes with 2 wooden axles and a straw. You'll cut the straw in half to put over top of the wooden axles. Now that you've made your axles, you can tape them on so that they're secure. The white circles are weights so that you can weight the car down so that it can roll better. So you can decide how many circles you want to use. Next, you want to take the sides off of your car so that you can color it and decorate it. I made a pickle car. Were you able to use all of those visual clues to help you find out what the different vehicles were? Like the ice cream truck and the construction vehicle. Here are some more truck books. Truck, Truck, Goose. I Love Trucks. Trodo and the Trucks. Tractor Trailers. Seymour Simon's Book of Trucks. I'm a Great Big Monster Truck. And Scoop Saves the Day. Hey, thanks for watching Story Time with us. We'll see you again.